Bitcoin trades above $22,000, Ether stays below $1,600. Wormhole bridges threat actor moves $155 million through DEX. Genesis sues Roger Ver for $20 million over unsettled crypto options trade. Cardano-based overcollateralized stablecoin Djed 2 launch next week. Number of new Ethereum smart contracts fall 60% in 2023. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets traded lower on Wednesday as investors opted for profit-taking ahead of the key economic data release scheduled later in the week. Bitcoin dropped below $23,000 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us about how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2.7% at 31,970 points. The data for initial jobless claims, which measures the number of people who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time, is to be released further in the week. Jobless claims are estimated to be around 2,05,000 from the previous release of 1,90,000. According to financial data, it was revealed that bankrupt crypto lender BlockFi has more than $1.2 billion linked to SBF's FTX and Alameda Research. As per the previous reports, BlockFi lawyers said that the loan to Alameda Research was worth $671 million. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading around $1.02 trillion, falling 2.8% in the last 24 hours. The total crypto market volume was down 2% to stand at $56 billion. A group of Genesis creditors filed a securities class action lawsuit against DCG and its founder and CEO Barry Silbert, alleging federal securities law violations. The lawsuit also claims that Genesis committed securities fraud by making false and misleading statements in order to defraud potential and existing digital asset lenders. The crucial Fed meeting next month will be a closely watched event as it will set the course of monetary policies, and rate hike will be the central point of discussion. Stock futures dropped as traders poured through the latest batch of corporate earnings. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures slipped 226 points or 0.7%. Nasdaq 100 futures shed 1.2% and S&P 500 futures fell 0.8%. Bitcoin was trading at $22,624, down 1.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 4%, trading at $1,248. BNB was down 4.2% to trade at $301. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 5.4% and was trading at $23.2. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $17.3, lower 5%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 6% to trade at $0.95. Cardano's ADA token was down by 5.6% to trade at $0.35. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 5.5% at $0.083. Shiba Inu was trading down by 6%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global crypto market. And now back to the headlines. In what appears to be the third largest hack in recent DeFi history, news of fund movement in relation to the historical Wormhole hack once again sparks a certain degree of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the DeFi industry. Roughly a year ago, Crypto Daily reported how $323 million was siphoned off of Wormhole, a cross-chain protocol bridging the Solana and Ethereum ecosystems. According to Crypto Daily's previous coverage, the attack was carried out using a re-entrancy bug which allowed the yet unidentified threat actors to freely withdraw funds from the protocol. According to data extracted from Etherscan, the funds from the previous year's attack have been moved, with transaction data indicating some $155 million worth of Ethereum being transferred through OpenOcean, a decentralized exchange. Blockchain security auditing firm Certic provided an initial alert on the matter. This recent development caused a minor price impact on staked ETH, with the asset depecking to 0.9962 within the day of discovery, while quickly recovering to a minimal price variation as the price cycle closed off. Bitcoin Cash advocate Roger Ver has been sued by a unit of crypto lending firm Genesis over unsettled crypto options amounting to $20.8 million. GTC International, a part of the bankrupt crypto lender, filed the suit against Ver in the New York State Supreme Court on January 23rd, claiming that the BCH proponent has failed to settle crypto options transactions that expired back on December 30th. Ver was given a total of 20 days to answer the summons. Should the BCH advocate fail to answer within that time frame, he will be obliged to pay the total amount by default. At the time of writing, the BCH proponent has not yet responded to the case. Roger Ver is yet to respond about the allegation. Cardano-based decentralized stablecoin Djed is on track for a launch next week, one of the developers behind the token said Tuesday. The highly anticipated Djed stablecoin has been jointly developed by Cardano code maintainer IOG and Coti, a Layer 1 blockchain. Djed will be backed by other tokens and requires more than 400% in collateral value to be posted before it is issued by a user. This overcollateralized mechanism would allow Djed's value to hold stably during market stress and prevent a repeat of Terra USD, the infamous stablecoin running on Luna, which fell over 99% last May. Djed is expected to go live on over 40 Cardano-based decentralized finance applications on launch, as per a November report on the blog. Developers have simultaneously developed Djed Pay, a payments application that uses Djed that would allow users to transfer the tokens to merchants and businesses. The Cardano dApp ecosystem locks up over $72 million worth of tokens as of Wednesday, DeFi Llama data shows. Ethereum prices might be solid and bulls are looking to drive the coin towards $1,700, but on-chain data points to dropping activity from developers, judging from the numbers of new smart contracts deployed in the first 3 weeks of January. The number of new smart contracts deployed over the past few weeks since the beginning of 2023 has fallen by more than half. The number of new smart contracts deployed on January 1, 2023 stood at 139,699. However, a total of 56,370 smart contracts were deployed on Ethereum on January 23rd, a solid recovery from the 10,079 figure registered on January 14, but still a long way from its January 1st levels. The contraction over the past 3 weeks represents a 60% drop from January 1st levels, a concern for analysts. Falling contracts deployment coincides with the exemplary performance of ETH prices over the month. ETH prices have rallied from $1,200 on January 1st to $1,659 on January 20th. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Conversations about the Metaverse and virtual reality were at an all-time high in 2021, even in the cryptocurrency space. This increased discussion with one of the reasons that tokens such as Decentraland and the Sandbox reached significant all-time highs. However, the unfavorable market conditions appear to have derailed efforts, as many of these tokens have fallen precipitously from their peaks. However, in new circumstances, Bloomberg's 23rd January new report centered on Apple's virtual reality devices could provide a breath of fresh air. The devices set to be released later this year have been widely anticipated, with Mana investors anticipating a positive outcome. The Decentraland project is built around a virtual reality experience, with its token being on the ETH blockchain. Mana accompanied the rest of the market, building an incredible 118.49% value increase in the last 30 days. Mana was trading at $0.6573, down 9.80% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Ronin has risen by 20% in the last 24 hours, just 2 days before the token's release. The Ronin network will add 22.19 million RON, which is currently worth $15.83 million during the token unlock event scheduled for January 27. Sky Mavis will release 15.85 million RON and the ecosystem fund will release 6.38 million RON in 2 rounds of token unlocking. The coin dropped dramatically last year as a result of a hack that stole $615 million from the Ronin network. Within a month of the attack, the price of RON dropped from $2.26 to $1.10, a 53% drop. However, some community members believe that the upcoming RON staking after the mainnet's DPoS migration is a major catalyst for the current price rally. RON was trading at $0.7183, up 9.91% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 million. The long-awaited Djed Cardano stablecoin launch date has been announced. ADA prices have plummeted today, but there may be a rebound next week. The COTI network announced on January 25 that the Cardano stablecoin would be released next week. It did not specify a date, but previous blog posts suggested that it would be before the end of January. It went on to say that the only thing holding up the launch was the chain index syncing process. This process began a week ago and is expected to take 14 days, implying that the launch date could be around February 1. COTI has also announced the addition of Djed and its balancer coin Shen to the BitTrue exchange. COTI is a layer 1 scalable enterprise network that has been developing the Djed stablecoin. ADA was trading at $0.3566, down 6.42% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $12 billion.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.